Today we're experiencing the new roller coaster here at Paultons Park, DRAKON.
Watch the sheep. It's going to pull us up.
Yeah, Valgard.
Wait, what did they say its name?
Yeah, Valgard.
Valgard.
He's mentioned
Valgard.
in the video. That was lovely.
Yeah.
Are you a fan of this roller coaster?
We approve.
They're all like that.